हेलो।
Yeah, hello.
हेलो।
Yeah, tell me.
Hi, Shravani joined. Vinti, are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yeah, hi Shravani.
Hi, Vinti. Good evening. I don't see Malini and Shailaja yet.
Should we drop a message in the group?
Yeah, I'll message.
Hi, Sejal.
Yeah, hi.
Sejal, you want to check?
Now it will be quite difficult, I think.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
make you a co-host. You can launch it, okay?
Yeah. Neelamani will also be there and Shailaja will be there. So you should give post access to them as well. Yeah, Neelamani is here.
Shailaja.
Shailaja as well. Okay. And of course to Rajesh. Can you ping me the poll link for Sejal or you will be posting?
So you can see now poll on your dashboard. You are co-host now. Can you check?
Link.
It is not a link. It is not. No. We are not going by link. We are just going to launch the poll.
Malini, don't worry. I'll do that. I can see it on my at this thing.
Okay. I actually can't see.
No
Okay.
problem.
You take it
Sejal,
up.
I'll take care of it. Huh? Thank you.
Okay, dear.
Thanks a lot.
I can see Shailaja. Wait.
Pushpalita is there? Can't see her. Sejal?
No, she's not.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yeah. We can wait for next 2 minutes as well. 50 participants are there.
Okay. Okay.
Neelamani, can we get started?
Yes, I feel because it's 8:17, no? But people are joining it. So shall we wait till 8:20? 2 minutes more?
Yeah, in 2 minutes.
Shailaja, you are okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
So we welcome everybody on the this platform. Shailaja and Malini, there is a skit on the subject. Rajesh, I can't see you. Rajesh has joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so sorry. I'm searching you since when and we are waiting for you to join. We welcome you, Rajesh, on the platform. The subject is really wonderful, navigating through glass cliff. And as usual, Shailaja and the group, Malini, the team, they have planned a skit on it. So we need your guidance on the topic. We welcome you once again. Shailaja, let's start. Malini, Shailaja.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, Shailaja. I hand it over to you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
Shailaja.
audible.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So, most welcome to this another interesting Yukti session. Today we are very privileged to have our CEO and founder, our own Rajesh Bhatt with us, and I also welcome Nalini Madam for this wonderful organizing this wonderful session on such a difficult topic, that is breaking the glass cliff. And this series will give us little more feeling of our own self-worthiness and how we can climb up the ladder through our dedicated work. So today we are planning to have a small shoot and raise a question of how a women leader has to struggle a lot for reaching or climbing up the ladder with a small skit. So I welcome our team members of this session. Now I'm handing over to Malini.
Yeah, Shailaja, thank you. So good evening, everyone. Once again, let's start with the skit for today. I hope last week you all attended and had a wonderful experience and got a lot of insights in terms of navigating through glass cliffs. Today we have one more session with a power-packed skit as well. So let's go over the skit and see the performance of the skit here. And post that, we'll hand over to Rajesh for answering your queries. Okay, let's get started. So let us see how a manager who's managing an NGO which was at endpoint with less than 75% staff was handled. Women dare to take up the challenges even during adverse situation, breaking through the glass cliff. We have 4 roles in the skit today. One is project in charge, acted by Shailaja. Son, I'll be taking up that role, Malini. The third role, metrics boss, Swati. And the fourth role, reporting boss, Shravani. Let's go over the scene 1 now. So this is a conversation between a son and the mother, Shailaja, who's also a project manager. Mom, why are you taking up the coordinator role for the COVID patients? Why do you want to risk your life and bring COVID at home?
Oh, my son. As such, my promotion is hanging up since so long, you know. I think this project will give me the due promotion.
This position will make you a donkey, Mom. Forget about promotion.
It's the only opportunity at a top role, and that's worth taking the risk.
It's better you revisit your plans and get a clarity on your roles, expectations, Mom.
You know, my current position is already a tough one. Fantastically, 5 years before, my outgoing level manager has declared that this unit is going to be upend. And still that time I has been given this responsibility, and now we are recognized by various stakeholders as one of the benchmark. And I think this is such opportunity at top role, and I think I must try hard to make this project a successful one. Even though I did not get my promotion or any monetary benefits at that time, I'm sure this time at least I will be recognized for my hard work.
As you wish, Mom, but don't expect anything in return. Okay, so this was about scene 1. Now let's go over to scene 2. So this is a conversation between Metrics boss and Shailaja.
Hi Shalja, I welcome you to this challenging role and to lead this COVID project at a time where many of our subordinates are taking unauthorized leaves.
There is no voice.
Shailaja, you're there?
Yes, I am there, mathematics boss. Okay, good evening, sir.
Hi Shalja, am I audible
I'm
now?
glad to take up the additional responsibility of managing this new project from initiation. It will add up to my experience with the other new team members. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Shailaja.
Hello, I am audible.
The voice
Yeah,
goes
I
off.
think
The voice goes off in between.
Shalja, you are audible.
my voice.
Yes, right now you.
I am. Yes, I think
Swati,
Swati is not there, no? Hello. Hello.
okay, let me do
Okay.
Swati's part.
Yes.
So this is a Matrix boss. Welcome to the new group. We are there to help you for anything. Your networking skills and connects will surely take this project to a greater heights.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I think I will get my due this thing after showing my best performance.
We have
And
some
my
great
desired-
plans for you.
Okay.
Okay, so we have some great plans for you. Top management knows your talents. That is why you are selected for this post.
Thank you, sir. I'll put my best efforts to make this project one of the best model. Thank you.
Scene
I'm
3.
surrounded a strong cross-departmental network where I can draw support.
All right. So now let's go over scene 3. This is a conversation between reporting boss and the project manager Shailaja.
Shailaja, I heard you are taking up another project.
Yes, sir. You only suggested that your existing job profile will not give you promotion and try something more for getting leadership roles. Secondly, I was under the impression that it was discussed with you.
I don't know anything. I don't want any excuses in your current job responsibilities and role.
Yes, sir. But we. Hello. Yes, sir, but we
Good.
have acute shortage as 3 project managers are superannuated and we need to hire at least 2 more.
That we will see later on, Shailaja. Now, as new financial year has begun, you better prepare all documents needed for continuing your existing 3 projects.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank God, my field staffs are sitting idle due to lockdown. I can take their support and empower them with required skills so that I can delegate few of the time-consuming works. As it is something different from their routine work, they will also enjoy.
Shailaja struggles high with increasing work demands of her existing and new role challenges, working 24/7, compromising her domestic job responsibilities. This project was well appreciated by the top management and her existing unit. Also got noticed for its excellent reach outs. Okay, now let's go over scene 4. This happens after 1 year where the boss and Shailaja gets connected back.
I'm happy to share that your performance was excellent, but this year our overall organization performance has gone down, Shailaja, and only 70% of the performance allowance will be paid.
Oh, is it? What about my promotion?
Sorry, I'm helpless, Shailaja, not in the list of promotions. You can contact HR team.
Oh, is it? Anyways, let it be. I am at least happy that I got this opportunity to show my ability.
क्या करना है बेटे?
I think, hello. I think this skit is clear for everybody. Now, please suggest what went wrong with Shailaja.
She did not, while taking up the new project, she did not align her promotion. She did not set up the roadmap, and month on month or week on week discussion about the about her progress. She did not do that.
Yes, she was not frequent. She kept too long. 1 year was too long for to discuss with the boss, and she should have kept herself aware what is the organizational growth also. Bit.
Very good. Excellent. Any more views?
She would have. She should have shared her performance with with skip level as well somehow.
Okay, now let us listen from our own CEO and founder, Rajesh.
Shailaja, I have nothing else to add. See, everybody has already gone this multiple times over, right? They are bombarding you already with all the information, isn't it? So who was it who was saying weekly thing not happened? Who was that? Neha, right? Neha
Yes, Rajesh, it was me.
No, that's beautiful. That's very nice.
Was it correct? Okay.
Okay, who else? Somebody else mentioned some input and feedback.
So I said to explore to skip level also, to share with the skip level your progress and everything.
Excellent, excellent. Who else?
And organizational growth also employee must keep in mind. So it shouldn't be a shock to her.
It shouldn't be a shock to her, right? And even if the organization has not grown, you should have said, "Oh my God, it looks like you're not going. Oh my God, my growth is in trouble. What can I do? What can I do?" That should have happened way ahead of time, isn't it? I think. Yes.
Rajesh, I also felt that towards the last when she reacted that, oh, I didn't know. So if tomorrow the organization grows also, she will be taken for granted because she's feeling it okay about it, That's also there.
That's a very good point, right? No, the one is to also prepare for the next plan of action and plan of attack. To say, okay, you know what, this is my fate. Don't be again do the same thing again. Rather than that, just prepare the plan of attack, plan of action, plan of the next, what we call the next BHAG or the next implementation and next process you can implement. Be indispensable. and have a powerful
Yeah.
conversation with their super boss. Super boss.
Yeah, so she would
Yes.
have pitched it like that, that I was looking for another project that is very relevant in the company, and I was really looking forward for it. But now, as it seems that if I'm not as good and I'm not getting anything in monetary terms, then let it me in my daily routine only. That is fine.
Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Very, very good. Very good. So I think.
Do you agree with this? Hello.
So yes, somebody is saying, Ritika is saying, she was very submissive, did not fight back. It's a good one. It's a good one, Ritika. Very nice. How do you think you can fight back, Ritika? Let's see.
So Rajesh, I think she did her job well, but nothing was aligned. First of all, from the beginning, she did not align herself to the manager. She took the project, a very big project, but did not align anyone, her boss. Seems like she worked hard, but it was not in a very planned way. The planning was missing, the connects were missing with the manager. And towards the last, when the manager told like you are not in the list of promotion, or you are not getting the performance bonus that you are supposed to because of the organization performance, she accepted without fighting it back. She could have put across her points. Though I know she has not done the right thing during the process, she could have at least fought her point back that this is what I have done, this is what I was supposed to get, and this is what I have not got. So yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Very well put. Very well put, right? So she should be the planning, the communication, the expectations right from day one has to be much more aligned, much clearer. And not just the expectations. So start from saying, okay, what do we start with? We start with right from day one. You say, I am intent in the fast track. Can I request you to give me feedback every week? If I'm not going to get a promotion, please tell me ahead of time. Please start giving me inputs ahead of time. Let's say in the first quarter itself, so I know that I am not on track. So I can prepare myself, I can correct myself, or I can add more value. This nicely puts pressure on the boss and super boss, nicely. But without that, healthy pressure, your boss is going to, nicely say, take it. Unfortunately, it's not, in the list. How dare you don't put me on the list, isn't it? Now you can't tell me that at the end. And then one of the things that I was shocked to hear, and she accepted, go to HR. What should be a response? Let's get this. Somebody says, your manager says, go to HR. What is your answer?
HR doesn't see my performance. The visibility of my performance is very much to my manager, a bit less to my super boss, but not to HR at all.
Perfect.
It's a clear way of saying we don't want to talk about it more. So it's very derogatory. Good to stand for it.
Perfect.
Rajesh, I would tell them I would go to HR, but I will go to other companies' HR now.
I love that.
Nice one.
Right?
In starting also when she got the project, then also she would have aligned her like that. I'm looking really forward for this project, and I'm really working hard for it. But I should expect something really, very nice in return of it if it goes well. So
very nice. Very nice.
I have a question here.
Yes.
How to tackle this situation in some organization or with some bosses? Favorism plays a very big role. Even if the candidate tries the very best, and if they have pre-decided whom to promote or like that, how to tackle that?
So is somebody else going to answer that? Who's been there in the community for, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4 months? Anybody else? Because I must answer this question sometime earlier.
In that scenario, maybe you did not get noticed. You had to get noticed and get relevant. So if somebody else is also a blue-eyed boy or girl, you also have to get yourself noticed.
Okay, and if you are performing much better than the other person, the numbers are in your favor. However, still, how to get noticed?
Deepshika, performance is nothing. You get what you negotiate for.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Yes, that is the answer. Actually.
I love this attitude right there.
That should be the answer actually. You will not get what you deserve. You will get what you negotiate.
Okay, I understood now. Yes, thank you.
No.
Negotiation always works.
So what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is you are expecting my numbers are better, my work is better, my work should speak for itself. You keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Suddenly you realize that you never negotiate. You not put your foot forward and say, this is what I'm looking for. And by the way, there still be people who will be biased. What do you do with them? You still have to ensure there's a healthy fear. What is healthy fear? That you are not going to keep quiet if the boss is your boss is playing favoritism. I'll give you one practical example. What can you do? You can say once or twice, sir, I am not your friend, no sir. I am only depending on performance to get promotions. Nicely, you put the fear. You have some fun statements like this. Sir, I hope that who goes to coffee with you doesn't determine the growth in the organization, sir. What do you think? Nice. This is a fear tactic. Means what? If the boss does it, it means that you will not hesitate next time to raise it in the big forum in front of everybody else. It's a fear that you need to put in the mind of the boss. Is that clear, Deepshika?
Yes.
If you don't do this, what happens? Boss thinking, I will do my own drama and nobody will care. So ensure, see, one of the biggest things that all of you to understand. You need to become indispensable, get noticed. Also ensure your boss is very scared of you.
Okay.
If your boss is not scared of you, you are in trouble.
So maybe we can say that maybe so then when he asked to go and meet the HR, then she would have said that maybe I can meet your boss to see my performance.
No. That is too late. That is too late.
Is it okay to go to the skip level manager about this as well? I mean, while you are aligning with your manager, at the same time, you also go to the skip level manager that I am doing this and this, and I am expecting a promotion after doing
if your
this.
manager is not listening at all and asking you to meet the HR, then yes, you can ask the HR only that I've done this, and now I have.
See, the problem is many of these things are done in retrospect. Whatever is done as an escalation, whatever is done as a complaint mechanism, generally don't work. You know why? Because it's already too late. People are made up their mind. Then it is tu meme. This is wrong. You did wrong. I did wrong. Why it was good? Why it is not bad? Generally, when it reaches that stage, right? The best thing is to quit and move to a new role, new job. Because if it reaches that stage, then you're lost. You have no confidence in your boss. You have no confidence in the super boss. They are against you. That is already apparent. So it's better you move out to a new role, a new job, a new organization, or new department rather than staying in the same one because it's unhealthy. But ideally, you should avoid reaching that stage. What do you do to avoid that reaching the stage? You should taken these precautions of getting noticed, and your boss should know that she is not to be messed around. Means there's this fun statements, right? Sir, I wish I could be as humble and nice as other people, but I only know language of performance. Keep saying these things again and again and again. See, like this.
Sir did not get repeated. Sir,
Sorry,
did not get repeated.
So
Just repeat, sir. We could not hear sentence.
The way you will say it is, you say, I hope that only performance matters in this team, not who has coffee with whom. Nice. I'm sure that you are very kind and very fair as a boss. Keep putting those elements into the mind of the boss before 6 months and 1 year, not on the day of appraisal. Otherwise, see, none of us are idiots. We know which bosses are best, which bosses are not best, isn't it? Don't we know which bosses are best? Okay.
Yes.
I have had situations as a CEO of the company. I have had situations where some people, investors, whoever it was biased against me, and I knew. In the beginning, I would get very, very hassled. Oh my God, I'm the CEO of the company. People are biased. And slowly I realized that I need to accept the fact that there are friendships and this and that and so on and so forth. There will always be a bias. So what did I do? I started playing these games. Sir, what is this, sir? Promotions are all going to friends only. What is this? So nicely, you put the fear that you will expose their games in front of everyone in the organization. So this way they'll be very careful about it. But at the same time, you don't have to do this often, by the way. Once or twice is enough. People will get the message. You do this once. You 2-3 times you do this till they and keep noticing. And don't do it as a reaction. Do it proactively. Means they do it, allow them to do it for a week. After 1 week, you give them a sudden shock. Sir, क्या बात है sir?
Being unpredictable.
हाँ, क्या बात है sir? आप तो बहुत dinner हो रहा है sir. क्या बात है sir? I hope the promotion also not going the dinner way.
जहाँ पे डिनर ना हो वहाँ क्या होगा?
Sudipta here.
Yes.
Rajesh, Sudipta here.
Yes.
So the company I'm working for, so I know my manager doesn't decide the promotion.
Right.
So we have senior director, under him maybe 10 promotion can be done in one cycle. So among many people you have to select, how it goes. So, but I mean, after this R&D session, I had a quarterly review session. So I spoke to my manager and I asked him directly, do you think I'm on the right track for promotion? What is it? Because he has been giving me feedback, everything good. Thank you very much for a long time. So I am completing 2 years in this role. So I told I am looking for a promotion by next year. So do you think I'm in a right track? Exactly the word you told in one of the sessions. So he told, yeah, apart from your daily activities, you are involved in many other activities also. Like we have training sessions and all. Like we have new college graduates joining. So I am a training coordinator for this year. So I have to arrange the training and all these things. So these things gives you visibility. So then I told him that, see, I'm not sure that whether that will fetch me the promotion. I'm doing it because an opportunity came and I'm energetic to learn it. That's why I took this opportunity. But do you think this will help me with the promotion? Then he said, yeah, this type of visibilities are good and it is considered. But I don't think that he may propose my name if he wish, but he cannot decide that who can be promoted. So how should I go about it?
Who takes the decision then?
So it is like senior director level. So my manager reports to director, and then there is a senior director. So multiple directors are working under senior director. So
then you need to ask for a one-on-one with the whoever is deciding.
The senior director.
Yeah, of course. You need to just, you see, by the way, this is your right, Sudipta. There's no favor, no special favors. This is your right to have an opportunity to present your case before you join or once you join, and once in a month, once in 2 months, periodically to people who matter. This is a matter of your right, not a just additional privilege or something. Because if I think about it, right, I'm joined a place where my future resides in somebody, and I'm not given an opportunity to communicate. It's not a fair system, isn't it? Now, what people will not understand in some places is that their rights, people's rights, not being given, not being granted. So what do? You nicely communicate. Sir, aisa lagta hai, sir. The growth is all in the hands of Bhagwan, and I'm not getting to meet Bhagwan. Have some fun with that. Okay, then slowly, you say, sir, then or make some fun in front of the senior director only. Sir, आप तो भगवान हो sir, हमारा future decide करते हो, meet नहीं करते हो, and I come and meet you. So have some fun with it like this. This way you'll get the audience with the people who matter, right?
Yeah, I'll try that.
And also, see, Nikita is also right. She is saying manager pitches and senior directors decide. Nikita, you are right, but at the same time, if you don't have a good rapport with your super bosses, they will dismiss your case.
So there was a session with our skip level. Our team had a skip level with senior director. There he told, so if anybody is looking for a change, you should come and talk to me. Many times I have a role, but I don't get time to talk to your managers. So if you are talking to me directly, then you may be in my mind, and next time anything comes, I can think. This is where he told. Yeah.
Of course. No, but what happens? You say, Arya, he's simply saying for the sake of saying, I'll not go. This is what most people think. When the senior boss says like this, what are most people thinking? Yeah, the bakwas ki cheez hai. This is all nonsense. Just
so that's what happened actually. I mean, some people ask, they are still not meeting him. They are thinking, they are still talking to manager only.
Anyway, this is all lip service. They will not do it. It is all politics, already fixed. If you have that mindset, you're gone. Now, that does not mean just because you meet, you get a promotion. That does not mean that. What it means is your chances increase dramatically. Then what happens? Then based on the proposals you have, the ideas you have, you are now, many companies meeting the super boss is very difficult. They are remotely working in US and all this. I've seen this happen in the community. But still, it's possible. So what do? You ask for ideas, you ask for mentoring, you ask for various things. So you have to have the connect very, very clearly. Otherwise, see, in a corporate, right? I've seen this. I'll give one example. When I was 24, I was reporting to a person, but I'm the CEO, in the same floor. I used to find the time that the CEO is available, which was generally 8:30 in the morning. Every week, 2 times I would come. I would generally come at 9:30, 9:15, but 8:30 I would be there 2 times in a week. And I'd pick up a cup of coffee, go and sit in the CEO's cabin. Hi, how are you? All well? Anything I can do? I was 23, 24. And this allowed me, by the way, such a fantastic opportunity to learn what the challenges the CEO was going through. So that's why my salary went up from almost around 11,000 rupees as a fresher to almost a lakh in three years. Back from 2000, this is my story from 2014 to 2004 to 2007. Now that I got 4 promotions in a span of 2.5 years. Now this is a game, right? If you don't know when to catch the CEO, when to informally catch hold of the CEO. I've seen many participants. One of the participants, I think a few months ago, she was telling me she got a role of the head of HR by playing this trick with the CEO. She said, okay, I have an idea. And CEO was not available. He was only available during coffee. He would come and pick the coffee and go. So she figured out the best time to go is pick coffee. So figured out time coffee. Sir, I had a brilliant idea. You're here. Oh, surprise. She has been planning for the last 1 week. Surprise. I also came here. So suddenly the CEO starts speaking. Then she gets the audience and got promoted as a head of HR. Is it clear? This is the game you need to understand deeply before you implement. Okay.
I have a question, Rajesh.
Yes.
So I cannot get promoted. I'm already the head of the department.
Okay.
But what I'm asking for is a negotiation or a hike in my salary.
Right.
Right. And this is such a difficult thing, given that, I will be presenting my business plan, showing everything that I'm doing for the future, etc., etc. But I cannot put in there that I'm going to ask for a hike. And I am going to get the opportunity to discuss a hike only after 6 months, only after I present everything. How does one do that,
Good question. So just who do you present this to?
I present this to the entire the regional leadership team, and I report into the regional president.
Regional president. Who takes a decision?
Regional president.
Good. You need to seek separate audience with the regional president later. See, committees don't take decisions generally. Why?
Yeah.
Committees by definition will look up to the CEO or the head of the department to take a decision. Generally, this is a situation. Everybody says committee. Who takes the decision finally? Somebody who's the head of the committee, who is the most influential decision. Let's do it. And then the decision is made. Generally, this is a situation in any company. Any committee, this is the same situation. One person, 2 people take decisions. So what do? You seek separate audience with the senior director for presenting your case and ideas and plans or something else. You say, I have a new idea. I think only you are the person who can guide me in this properly. And go and sit. Then ask for new ideas, and I have these 2 ideas, and I'm looking for a growth like this. I'm looking for a promotion like this. Would you be kind enough to consider it?
Should I be prepared with an alternate job when I make that proposition? Because
not necessary, right? Because just because you ask something, nobody will throw you out. Nobody will consider you as a villain. Just because you ask for something. But if you are clear that they will not give it and you're desperately looking for it, then you need to go. You need to have a. See, I always been telling in the community that your ability to get a job will always be there. Your ability and confidence.
Correct.
Your ability and confidence to get a job will give you strength to negotiate anywhere you go. Right? Because when you never negotiate from a strength of from the position of weakness. Right? When you start positioning humble, humility, all this is nice for friendship, not for leadership. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah, Rajesh, I had a question. I
Yes,
have recently come to know that in my organization, the role which I am supposed to move into, so the people who are already in that role, so if it's like I'm working for one practice, so if all the managers who are working in that practice will have to vote for me to get into that role.
Okay.
And there are 7 of them, and all are male. So the problem is, I know that 2 of them will definitely not vote for me, because as working as a peer with them, as a subordinate for them, I have realized in their activities and in their actions that they fear me.
Have you seen
because
the
of
12 Angry Men movie? Anju?
Pardon?
Have you seen the 12 Angry Men movie?
No, I've not seen it.
Just watch that movie.
Okay.
See, the way you play the game of convincing 1,000 people starts with one person at a time. Don't try to convince everybody together. Now, see, this is the biggest mistake that I've seen people do. They will try and convince everybody. You can never convince a crowd of anything. Okay? You can only convince one person at a time, or one category at a time, one subgroup at a time. Then the rest will get influenced step by step. Okay? So first you get who the top most influential person of the 7.
Okay, no, I've gone to the super boss already.
Good. No, then
I'm working with the super boss actually.
Very good. Very good.
But I just came to know from some of my other colleagues who are at the same level that this is one of the process that happens. So whatever we get into the ranking and whatever the promotion, if that is not in favor, you may not get promoted. So I was just thinking, if I, because all 7 of them, and I have, as they have been my bosses over a period of time. So and some of them probably, actually one of them I know in the past has was so hesitant to work with me because of my nature, because of my knowledge. He feared that the team will not look up to him, so he had me moved away from his projects.
Right.
So one question, this one is they asking, Benny is asking.
No, so let's complete. Anju is so now are you clear about what to take?
Pardon?
Are you clear about what steps to take next?
So my steps next are that I am directly talking to the super boss. That's
Right.
one thing. Second thing, what I have tried to do is my immediate boss, who is giving my ranking, he's one of those 2 people. So I have tried to get aligned with him. Yeah, get aligned with him. Work उसको ऐसे बताती हूँ कि भाई मैं तेरी मदद कर रही हूँ. तो उसके goals achieve करने के लिए उसको ऐसे बताती हूँ.
Good. That's a good
मदद
one.
कर रही हूँ. So that way he gets now, from past 1 month after attending Iron Lady, I have not had any aggressive meetings with him. So
very good. Good. You have to do better than that. Okay, not mother. You have to say we are doing this together. We are making it happen. I'm making it happen for you.
Yes. Yeah.
So Benny is something very disastrous experience. Benny. Now, if this is so challenging for you, Benny. It is better you start, having a look at the next role and next job and all that very fast, right? Your super boss seems to be a big moron. So, and there are enough morons in the world out there.
Yeah,
Completely.
he asked me, Rajesh, to block my calendar, and whatever you want to talk, you can come and talk to me. But then later, when I started talking to him, when I was trying to tell him that I want to align myself with the company goal and give you some proposing like what I want to do, what I can do for the company for the betterment, he said, I don't want to listen to you. And he said that I'm not a good team player. You will never reach, you will not become a manager also. So he was like not even letting me talk. And now he is giving all the credit to other team members, and now he's asking me, not even giving me any job right now. Even my boss is not talking to me, so it's a very bad situation right now.
So why do you think that he did that, Benny?
I have no idea. This is the first time after I have joined here from I'm there from 3 years in this company. My first experience.
Have you had any meetings with your super boss earlier?
He's been very good with me all this time. I got last month one best performance bonus also, which nobody in India has got. It was a global thing that happened for all the employees globally. And from India, there was only 4 or 5 employees who got that, and I was one of them. And he called me personally to tell that, congratulate me, and he said, "Good, keep up the good work." And I don't know what happened suddenly.
No, but I think there is more to this than meets the eye, Benny. There's much more to this. Okay, I think there is something that is going on behind your back. Somebody has been, gossiping about your work or your thing. So you need to understand a little more before you make your next move in this company. Any which case, right? If it is so clear that they don't think that it's going to work for you, it is better you aggressively start looking for a new job. Thoroughly figure out what happened, because I think it's important you understand what happened. Who did that drama behind your back? Because just by saying I want to align with the company, nobody hears it.
Yeah.
Rajesh, I had another story to share here.
Yes.
Last week, in fact, while this our progression cycle is now to open up, right? And I come up with all my 3 years of what all performance that I have delivered, what all projects that I have delivered, and how much business that I have given to the company. So I prepared a detailed presentation and actually walk through my manager through that journey, my career journey, and he acknowledged that yes, you have really performed well and this and that. And then I said that this time I'm really looking for I should be promoted and all those things. Then he said promotion to jab aayega tab aayega, but you keep on giving your power pack performance. Because he said that I will nominate you, but then there is no guarantee to it that you will get it, because there are so many other in the department, in the overall department under my super boss, and that is something which is not completely in his hands. So that way he just tried to take a side cut from making any commitments or anything.
Okay,
in that situation,
okay, got it.
yeah.
So, got it. So many of you seem to be facing the challenge where your boss is not clear or not willing to commit, or your super boss is kind of escaping the situation. Many of you are facing this situation. So then, okay, let me give you some suggestions and guidance around this matter, because I think it's a very pressing matter for all of you, right? Generally, Nidhi, right? It is if you just go and ask your boss and put a pistol to his or her head, they will get very scared and they will run away from you. Don't put a pistol to them. What do? You say, sir, I hope that you will do your best. I hope that I'm on the right track. I hope that I will be able to make it happen. I hope that you will be completely supporting me in this. This is one level of conversation. And the next level of conversation. The next level of conversation is your super boss. What do you do there? You say, I have already requested my boss to be on the fast track. I have already requested. I'm sure the boss has already spoken to you. I'm not looking for a commitment right now, but I'm here to learn everything. I'm here to give my best for the company. The pitch has to be in a way that it is coming across as you are seeking guidance, you're seeking their blessings, you are seeking their commitment for you to grow. And rather than saying, okay, will you give me, right? Many times what happens, if you keep asking, will you give me, they will suddenly start, getting very defensive around you. So what to do? Just very aggressively ask. Very aggressively ask means asking also has to say, I'm looking for guidance. I'm looking for some alignment from you. And I will definitely be considered. I'll be one of the top people. I'll be definitely getting the best one. This is the best possible approach 1 year at a time. And then every month when you do this and keep reinforcing it, there will be at least a very honest conversation every month. This is your best chance of growing faster than anybody else. Very honest conversation every month. And powerful feedback every month. Clear feedback every month. Clear instructions and clear expectations every month. If you do these 2-3 things, then you are on a very good wicket. Generally, what happens is, if you go and start negotiating, say that, I am looking for a promotion, whatever it is I need, people will definitely start getting very defensive. Okay?
But what about whenever we go for asking for promotion, they will say, I am not giving, your reporting boss will give, and reporting boss will tell metric boss will give. Like this, throwing the ball where we...
Right. No, it is, it happens sometimes. My suggestion is you align step by step. For example, have you done your best? Have you already made a positive response to the super boss? Ask your boss first level. Then once you ask and you have a reasonable thing, if the boss says you go to the super boss, then you say, I hope that you already discussed with it. because I will definitely go and talk to him, and with your blessings and recommendation, I will go. If you say it's only in the boss, the mind of the super boss, then you are likely to be in trouble, right? So you should, sir, I'm not expecting anything confirmation, 100% guarantee from you. Can I request your guidance, blessings? Can I, expect every month some suggestion, some entry? Step by step, you plan this out. If you do that, then it will work very well. Okay. Great. Is it clear, everyone? Nidhi, is it clear?
So Rajesh.
Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Neha, go ahead.
Yeah, so even in my case, like I had just a discussion about initiating the promotions and all that, and I just asked my my manager, the manager just above me, and to see. He said the discussions will happen with me, but he will be discussing it with his manager before going ahead. And I asked him when can I expect, or what is the process and all that. He said it's not very clear. I'm not sure about the the promotion cycles. I'll have to discuss and let you know. So he's not very clear about it. He's not even telling that, okay, this is this will be the process, or these many months it will take for it to happen. And he didn't give any clear picture of it. Now, for me, I have not done the discussion. I've not pitched to him because I just wanted to understand the process first. Now, how do you think I can pitch to him? Like, because if I go ahead and pitch to him, I mean, I can expect him to give me some months time to work on this, and then go for the promotions, right?
When? Okay, now when is the next promotion cycle day, Sneha?
That is what I asked with him. He didn't actually properly respond about
you don't need to ask that to the boss. You can get it from the HR.
Okay.
See,
yeah.
Again, this is a very important point, right? Many of you are asking basic questions to your boss. They will think that they are answering that is a favor.
Okay.
If you ask these questions to your bosses, please tell me when is the next promotion cycle going to happen, or please tell me what is the process to follow. They will tell you, and they'll take 1.5 months, 2 months, 3 months to tell you that, and they'll think, okay, I've done a big favor to her, given her all my guidance. Gone. Your opportunity to make any progress is gone. Don't you?
So that's what I'm not getting an opportunity to actually begin the conversation. He's just telling that,
right?
He's okay. We'll have to think. We'll have to check on.
So what do you do about this? The way you will handle that is first get the process from somebody else. There'll be enough people in the team who know. Other people know. Other people who got promoted last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago, did not get promoted till now. Please don't ask this to your boss. What should you ask your boss? I realized that there is a midterm appraisal in the organization. And you have been so kind, and I want to go after it. I need your guidance and suggestions immediately.
Okay.
I realized that supervisor is the one in charge. I need your guidance and suggestions. And every month, some support and guidance. This way, when you start doing it, you will really make it work. Otherwise, what happens? It will be like a basic conversation. Basic conversations make no difference. Transactional conversations make no difference. Okay?
Okay.
Awesome.
So
Great.
can I actually go to, is there an option that I can go to his manager? Because I have some good,
No.
I'm in good terms with him.
Don't go to his manager without first talking to your manager.
Okay.
It will sound as if you are threatening your boss unnecessarily, taking unnecessary fights. Avoid unnecessary fights.
Sorry to interrupt everyone. Poll has been raised. Please provide your feedback. It's been initiated. It'll be there for only a few minutes. Thanks,
Great.
Rajesh. Go ahead.
Great. So
Rajesh,
is it clear to everyone?
Rajesh.
Steps to approach are very clear. You want to really use the steps very powerfully.
Sir, I want to ask something.
Yeah. So yes, Madhavi, go ahead.
Sir, I want to apply for other schools as coordinator, but I don't know, but I'm applying to frequent principals, but I know few coordinators who have joined as principals in other schools. I want to approach them as well. How to go about, because I feel it will look very blunt. Hello, ma'am, I want to apply as a coordinator.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. See, that is not a good idea. Have some other agenda. I need your guidance. I need your suggestions. I need your this. I need that. I am looking at understanding more from you. Don't suddenly start going saying, okay, this is what it is, right? It look very, very, see, transactional relationships will sound very, very desperate. You will sound desperate. Do not go on a desperate wicket to your boss. He will take two things will happen, or even other people. Desperation will lead to two things. One, possibly a downgrade of your negotiation, or desperation will also lead to bosses will start avoiding you. So avoid desperation. Have other agendas, guidance, mentoring, suggestions, ideas for the project, and so on and so forth. This is the way to build connect with your super bosses. Okay, let me answer a couple of more questions here in the chat box.
So Rajesh, I have I have some confusion here.
Yes.
So if I made a shameless pitch, because it's a role change for me, I
Right.
made a shameless pitch that if I do this, then X, if X is achieved, then I should be rated for promotion. And on the other hand, we are saying that do not put the pistol. So where do I and I keep on asking them that I hope I am on track. So where do I marry it?
It's a
Shameless
fantastic
pitch
question.
and
It's a fantastic question, Neha. Okay, everyone, this is very important. Neha has asked a very pertinent question. Okay, let me tell you the best situation is called automatic promotion is the best route to getting promotion and growth. What is automatic promotion? Automatic promotion means you have taken a chunk of the boss's work. You have taken a chunk of the super boss's work. You have taken one. You are requested the boss for one more resource, two more resources, one team member, one other team here. Slowly, suddenly you're going to the next role, automatically promoted. This is the best route for promotion and growth.
That
Or
is
you're
ideal.
guiding some other team. You're guiding some other team. Suddenly, you've been guiding so much, so you might as well report them. This is the best route to fast tracking your career and life. Now, when it comes to monthly, asking for a pitch and pitching and all that, what you need to do is you need to keep asking every month. And at one point, Neha, you will realize that the boss is so involved in the journey that you have. So the best negotiations start from you taking the other person on your side and solving the problem together. This is the best negotiations. Means, for example, let us figure out a way of you as my mentor and you as my boss giving me the best possible path ahead. And we together solving the problem where I am really committed to getting this as well. And I want to ensure that you are actually winning this. You're being an extraordinary leader, an extraordinary performer. I am doing my best to support you. There's a principle called managing a boss itself, right? That's what you need to understand. How to get that. At one point in time, after 2-3 months of doing this, your boss will be so invested in you that it is almost like an expected thing that your boss will give. Now, if it doesn't give at that point in time, then you need to make it more and more, start making more and more formal after 3 months. How do you make it formal? By involving other people in your line as well, your super boss and your other people as well. Think I've already taken it on. I already been speaking to my boss. You also will be. I believe that you have done your blessings. So we will. I'm really keen to take it on. This is the best situation. Unfortunately, because if you miss all of the steps, what happens is it will become a little jittery, little how do you say, uncomfortable, or there'll be too many knots that you need to tie or untie. So figure out steps along the way. It will work for you. Brilliant. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Rajesh.
Yes.
Yes.
I have some questions in the chat box. Can I answer them?
Isha Rao has asked a question.
Yeah. Sonali has asked a question. How to deal with my super boss not giving me my time? Sonali, ideally, okay. Sonali, ideally, don't go and ask this kind of questions to your boss. What is the question you need to ask? You should say, I am committed to getting a promotion in 6 months. Can you really support me? That is the kind of question you need to ask, Sonali.
Can you repeat it, please?
I am taking on this big project to support the company. I'm really keen to get your guidance. Can I get your guidance to get a promotion or a fast track growth in the next 6 months? That's the kind of question you have to ask. See, if you keep asking, when can I get it? When can I get it? When can I get it? Right? Definitely, this is the answer you get. Why? Because the rules of getting that are what is important, not when you will get. For example, if you engage with the super boss to say, these are 3 things that I want to do in my next role. This is the kind of role I'm looking for. The project I'm going after. I want to complete in the next 3 months so that you can consider me in the next 6 months itself. That is the kind of thing that you need to have with the super bosses. Okay? Otherwise, see, this is what I'm saying. I was telling Neha also. If you just put a gun and say, when will you give it to me? They will go on the defensive and answer all these hazy answers. Oh, okay.
Rajesh,
Thank you, Rajesh.
All the best.
Rajesh,
All the
I
best.
also have a question here.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
You know, my boss has indicated me in my midterm appraisal that I will be, I'm slated for the promotion in the final appraisal. But at times, I feel that she is, she humiliates me and she uses that tool to, suppress me. How to handle that situation?
He used what?
She humiliates. I mean, she humiliates at times, and she uses the tool of appraisal or giving me that promotion, which I'm expecting, which she has communicated to me, and that humiliation level is creating that stress in me.
What do you mean humiliation, Manmeet?
I mean, for each, when you're working, I mean, it's more of a fault finding thing rather than, supporting.
I got it, Manmeet. So there are some bosses who find sadistic pleasure in torturing their team members. Okay. Now they find that pleasurizing. I don't know why they find so much of pleasure in that. But some people do that. So what do? Manmeet, you need to know your boss more. You need to know that your boss is some kind of a person like that. You need to know this ahead of time. My sense is, if you know that he's going to be like this, then your tactics have to be slightly different. What are the tactics? The tactics have to be a bit of drama, bit of game, bit of fun. And see, the ideal track that I explained to Neha is the best track. Now, when that track is not working, what do? You play other games of politics and then having some fun and sarcasm and this and that, yet continue on the same path. Means what? The standard track has gone. Sir, I'm so a midterm appraisal, you got a commitment. Did you ask at the end of the month again, after 1 month after the midterm appraisal? I hope I'm on track. I hope everything is in place. I hope it's all set. I hope no change in plans. I hope you're guiding me, continue to guide me. Did you ask that?
So Rajesh, honestly speaking, the stress or the level of the behavior is so much that even if I will get that promotion, it will not be of value for me. Honestly, I mean,
change your job. Change your job. You are in an unhealthy environment, unhealthy boss, unhealthy situation. It is unlikely to change anytime soon. Please aggressively start looking for a job. Aggressively.
Because I know I will get it this year, but it doesn't hold any value for me.
Good. Be aggressive in finding the job. Attend the boot camp. After it.
Okay. Right. Thank you, Rajesh.
All the best. So many of you are suffering because you've been waiting. Unnecessary sadistic bosses, unnecessary sadistic environment. Don't stay there. Okay? And you have enough. World is open. Pandemic is over. Your jobs have opened up. Please be aggressive. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's one or two more questions.
Yeah, I have one question.
Go ahead.
So one good news is I got a job recently in a company and in a big company in Adidas, and the salary I wanted, but there is it's a temporary contract, and they said based on for 1 year and based on my performance I will be continuing. So the position and salary, everything is good as I wanted, but this is the condition. So what I should do and how I should be.
So Nisha, right now, what is your situation? Are you in a job already?
No, I was looking for a job. So my BHAG was to get a job. I was not having a job. So now I will be joining the company in July.
Go for it. And aggressively promote yourself within the company, within various teams and various super bosses. So they are forced to ensure that you are permanent. And by the way, 6 months later, try looking for another job in it as well.
That is there.
All the best.
Thank you.
All the best. Awesome. So let's answer more questions. Vinita has asked a question. Hold us, Neha. Vinita has asked a question. Let me answer that.
If you don't.
Neha, please type your question. Okay, Vinita has asked a question. So Vinita says, what is the best way to approach people when after connecting and asking a conversation? Vinita, what do you want is the question. Do you want referrals from the people? Are you looking for new roles from the connects? Are you looking for better? What are you looking for? Based on that, please be planning that ahead. For example, right? If you're looking for a new role, you can ask for some guidance, 10 minutes of time from them, 5 minutes of time from them, short conversation. Those are the best things to ask. See, I'll tell you, all of you who are looking to build connects, one of the best ways of building connects is ask for some 5 minutes of guidance. I'll set the ball rolling. Okay? Great.
Okay. Yeah, Rajesh, that was to build my collaborations with them. So my connections are in with respect to build my partnership, collaborations, associate with them in some joint projects and programs. So how do I start my conversations? I have a few meetings fixed with a few of the global people. So I just want to understand, how do I start with them?
Go with specific questions, specific challenges where they can immediately add value with shortest possible times.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I need to offer them first what I can offer to them.
Yes. And then suggest, ask for suggestions. Okay, I have a specific challenge. You'll be the best person to guide me. Ask for mentoring like that. Spend short times. Ask, okay, here's the guidance. Go well prepared with questions and then send it ahead of time if you can. So it'll really make a big difference. Okay.
Okay.
All the best.
Thank
Great.
you.
Sharmishta. Excellent. Sharmishta, you should always initiate it with your boss first. Right? If the boss says yes or no, use that as a way of initiating the next level conversation with super boss. Sharmishta, okay? Don't suddenly initiate it unless Sharmishta, unless you are changing your job and going into a new team with a new super boss. For example, when Suvarna changed her job or her role in the same company, she first had the conversation with the super boss and said, "I'm really looking for a new exciting role in your own team. And if you give me a manager who's going to support me, then I will have it excitingly." But when she in the same team, when she's supporting the same manager, suddenly you go and start talking to the super boss, your chances will reduce dramatically. Don't do that. Start your boss first, set the expectation, and also tell your boss transparently and openly that I'm really looking to talk to the super boss as well, so that you will get additional support to put the case across. That way you need to position yourself. Is it clear, Sharmishta?
Okay, I think we are. Yes, Rajesh. Actually, my super boss is very, ambitious. Okay, and the kind of thought that I am in, he kind of resonates with that.
That's dangerous. That is dangerous.
Okay.
This is very dangerous. Your boss will feel very insecure in the situation.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So you mean that I will talk to my boss, and in case he doesn't.
No. In case there is no in case. First, you have to convince your boss that he's going to be on your side, right? Then only then, informally start speaking to your super boss. Informally, not formally. Informally start speaking to your super boss. Informally. Then use that fact you're informally speaking, informally seeking the guidance of the super boss to influence your boss. If you directly start doing it formally, then you can be rest assured that you are in trouble.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, Rajesh sir, we are running.
Yes. I'm happy to see all of you really implement. I'm happy to see all of you really implementing things. Please be aggressive in implementing things, guys. I'm happy to support in any possible way. Let us ensure that all of you are aggressively building your careers. All right. So use the principles. Sure. By the way, we are also coming up with the ILID app where we'll be sharing a lot more videos and a lot more case studies and a lot more examples for all of you as well. So I look forward to supporting all of you much more. Okay. We are just rolling out the ILID app very soon. All the best, everyone. Thanks so much.
Before we wind up, a few things for the audience. One is we have posted the strategy meeting link in the chat. Feel free to register it. It will be posted on Telegram groups as well. Kindly request you all to register and participate and make the best value of it. The second one, we are looking for people who can share your experience for the energy pill. The script has been posted in the chat as well for today. And if still anyone is interested, feel free to reach out to your MC leader, or you can contact me. I'm Shiva Malini. I'm available in the Telegram group, as well as you all can contact Pushpalata for the same. Okay, and the third one, feel free to register and be part of the LinkedIn Iron Lady community group. Okay, all right. Thank you everyone for joining. Thanks Shailaja for hosting it so well and for the wonderful script you provided. Thanks to Rajesh for answering all our questions so patiently. Every time we talk, Rajesh adds a value to our personal experience. So thank you everyone.
Go
Thanks
for it,
for
guys.
thank you for the session.
All the best, guys. All the best. Thanks so much.
Thank you
Good night.
so much,
Thank you,
Rajesh.
Rajesh, so much. Thank you so much, Rajesh.
Thank you all.